mga pangarap. Good health. And you're already 18, but you're always a baby to your mother and father. I wish you all the best, and we're always here for
Happy birthday! Mas gwapa din kay Kakaron. Always thankful and always grateful and stay humble and always, respect your parents. No matter what, no matter when. Love your parents always. Stay humble. Happy 18th birthday. God bless you.
It is indeed a heartfelt message na na-touch ko dito as a part na love your mama.
Aww.
And sad to say, nagsabot ni nga tagal ka dito yung mga parents o kugang
Proceed sa inyong pag-wila aron makaabot ka sa inyong mga pangaiimportante para mo sa
Thank you. First of all, stay happy, trust the Lord, and
Banay. Si ate, aww.
so, katong message ni no, familiar siya. Gigan ka kang honey. Pagkaman, pagka-jing-jing. Sunod kang bibi. Grabe no, ay sa dyan mo pagkuya-kuya. Ora dyan po.